The Yamaha YAS-207 doesn't do anything to shake up the world of soundbar design. It's simply a black bar with a rectangular subwoofer. If you block the Yamaha logo, there's no telling who made this soundbar, which might be good if you're looking to build a covert sound system, but, for us, it's a bit generic. On the front of the YAS-207 you'll find touch controls for power, switching inputs and controlling volume. There are green indicator lights that show which input is currently active, as well as the ability to act as a volume meter. The sound quality of the Yamaha YAS-207 is excellent, offering crisp highs and deep bass. Dialogue was loud and clear for movies and TV, but there is an option to enhance dialogue further by pressing the clear voice button on the remote. While we liked the sounds of the mids and highs, out of the box there can be too much bass, so we didn't feel bad dialing it down by one level. Yamaha was the first to add support for DTS Virtual X and DTS Virtual Surround to its YAS-207 soundbar. For the unfamiliar, DTS Virtual X is the company's digital signal processing that helps soundbars sound more like traditional surround speakers. One thing to note is that the YAS-207 requires a firmware update in order to use DTS Virtual X, and you'll want to update as soon as possible, as the virtual surround is almost unlistenable out of the box.